Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable guest mode in Chrome on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to bring up the search menu. Once the search bar appears, type in regedit. This will allow you to access the Windows Registry Editor, which is where you can modify system and application settings at a deeper level. From the search results, click on Registry Editor to launch the application. Now that the registry editor is open, you'll see a tree structure on the left side of the window. Navigate to hqy_lol_machine by clicking on it. This is one of the main registry hives that contains configuration information for the local computer, and it's where we'll be making our changes to control Chrome's settings. Next, click on the software folder within hqy_lol_machine. This section stores settings for installed applications on your system. Now, scroll down through the list of folders until you find one named Policies. Once you locate it, right-click on Policies to open a context menu with several options. From the context menu, hover your mouse over New and then click on Key. This creates a new registry key where we can store Chrome-specific policies. Name this new key Google, making sure to capitalize the G. This folder will house all Google-related policy settings on your system. Now, right-click on the Google folder you just created. Again, hover over New and click on Key to create another subfolder. Name this one Chrome with a capital C. This is the specific location where Chrome will look for policy configurations that control its behavior. With the Chrome folder selected, right-click on it once more. This time, hover over New and click on Deadboo 32-bit value. This creates a new registry entry that will hold the setting we need to disable guest mode. Name this new value Browser Guest Mode Enabled, with no spaces in between. Make sure you spell it exactly as shown, as Chrome looks for this specific name. Once you've named it correctly, double-click on Browser Guest Mode Enabled to open its properties window. In the value data field, enter 0. Setting this value to 0 tells Chrome to disable guest mode entirely, preventing users from browsing without signing in. And that's it! You've successfully disabled guest mode in Chrome on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.